So, okay, dear students, very good morning to all of you. Yesterday we were reading Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. We have gone through these 2-3 pages. So, in these 2-3 pages, what we have come to know that Bipin Chaudhary was given a reminder again and again by Parimal Ghosh that he has gone to Ranchi where he was seen by Parimal Ghosh, but so many other evidence were also provided by Parimal Ghosh to Bipin Chaudhary, but Bipin Chaudhary tried to recall all those incidents, but he was very much sure that he had never gone to Ranchi. So what was the secret behind that? So there were so many guesses that you have made yesterday because this story is full of suspense. Okay, because in this chapter it is told that Bipin Chaudhary he had never, according to his mentality, according to his memory, he had never gone to that place. He was he was an ardent reader. He used to read crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. Okay, he was living alone. Okay, so when Bepin was given reminder by one of the stranger, Parimal Ghosh, again and again, so he thought that his memory is going to play a trick on him because he was damn sure he had never gone to that place. So Parimal was surprised. Why so? Because he has given him so many examples. Okay, he has given example of to get a cut on his knees. He brought iodine for him. He fixed his car. Okay, so many examples were given, and he also told him that there was Dinesh Mukherjee who was also in bungalow. Okay, where Bipin was staying. So he used to but Parimal was so surprised, and he also told him about his personal life that he was not having children. His wife died 10 years ago. So such kind of so many things were told that about his brother also, that he died in Ranchi in medical hospital. So many examples were given. So many examples were given. But Bipin was thinking that he had an excellent memory, so he was not ready to believe that thing that he had lost his memory. Okay, now let's read second part of this chapter. Who is going to read second part? Second part of this chapter. Okay, Akul, you read second part.
Okay. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga, will you, Sitaram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was unconvincible that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory, unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. Was he losing his mind? But how would that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm, and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details: the bag of books, wife's death, brother's intensity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to know. There was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago, and he didn't have his address.
Read further.
But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi, and that was that. The the river breeze was bracing, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. There was a mark of an old inch long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, he tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Benanandan Street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bepin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bepin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be
Ridiculous.
ridiculous ridiculous to ask him, and he knew how ruthless Dinesh sarcasm could be.
Okay. Now, from this reading, we have come to know that Bepin was 100% sure that his memory is very good. He had a very sharp memory. Why so? Because he was working daily in his office and he was working on a very good, reputed, responsible job. And but he was so surprised that how Parimal knew about all his intimate means his personal details, like about his wife's death, about his brother's madness. Okay, but he was very much sure that he had not gone to Ranchi. But he also remembered this thing that there is his friend Haridas Bagchi's house in Kanpur. During the pujas, he went there. So he thought that he should write down to Haridas to confirm about his visit, that he had gone to Kanpur or not. But he remembered this thing that Haridas had already left for Japan. Okay, so you can see in this picture that he tried to check that whether there is any injury on his knee or not. He started doing checking. So he found that there was an inch long cut mark on his knee, but he tried to recall that when did he get that cut. Okay, it means whatever the Parimal was speaking, it was absolutely correct. Okay, but after that, Bipin, what was his next decision? His next decision was, after confirming this, that yes, he really got an injury, there was a mark on his knee. He thought that he should move to Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, he should went to Dinesh Mukherjee's house to know about that what was Karimal speaking, it was right or it was a false story. But after that, he go there at his place? No, he dropped that idea. Okay, because he thought that if he would go to Dinesh place, so Dinesh would think that I had gone crazy. So he stopped thinking about Parimal and he just went to sleep. Okay, after that, what was the next activity of Bepin? Bepin rang Dinesh, okay, and he confirmed him that he was there in Ranchi or not. Okay, so after that, he felt yes, he had lost his memory. Okay, okay, next, read, should be read by. Okay, Taranya, bache, you read.
Yes, ma'am. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they got about getting into other people's hair. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in Newmarket. Next day, in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more on his mind. If the man knew So much about Bipin Babu. How could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least embarrassment on his face would not show. 235616. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. 58? What incident? Were you in Kolkata right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. Wait, just a minute. 58. Just let me check in my diary. For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat has gone up. He was sweating a little. Hello? Yes, I have got it. I had been out twice. Where? Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then, but you had know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. You were there?
Wait. It is not you had no. What is the pronunciation of this word? See. Wait. I just want to tell you. You it is you had or you would. See, it can be you had also, and it can be you would also. How will you come to know that it is written you would or you had? How will you come to know? Just I want to tell you, with had, which form is used? Tell me, with had, which form is used? Verb, third form. And with would, we use verb, first form. Clear? So when you dash know, know is a first form. So what will be that? You had know or you would know? Now read it. You had know or you would know? Tell me, Turanya bachche. It is you would know or you had know? I'm not able to listen to you. It is you would know because it is a first form no. Okay, so many students, they are in the habit and they have confusion. Sometimes they speak you had, sometimes they read it would, but there should not be that kind of confusion in your mind. Whenever you have confusion, you think if it is first form, then you would, but if it is third form, then you had. Clear, bachche? Clear? Or other students also keep this thing in your mind. It doesn't mean that others are perfect in reading. They can also keep this thing in your mind. Okay, read further.
You would know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That's all. But what's all this saluting about? No, I just wanted to know. Anyway, thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming. Chills seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite.
Okay, now I'm going to explain this. See, now from the second part of this chapter, what we have come to know, that is very much interesting chapter. It is full of suspense, isn't it? It seems that we are watching a movie now. What will happen next? What will happen next? Isn't it? Those who are completely absorbed in the reading, definitely they are going to enjoy. But all of you go through the text and listen carefully. Now, when this incident was given a reminder about that he got injury on knees, so he started checking his knees that was there any injury or not. You can see in the picture. Okay, after that, when he came to know that yes, there was a long cut on his knees. So after that, what plan did he make? So he thought that he should call Dinesh Mukherjee, but after that he thought no, Dinesh Mukherjee would make fun of him. So he would think that it is really ridiculous. Ridiculous means it is really funny to ask him. Write down the meaning of ridiculous. Ridiculous means it is really funny. So write down the meaning of ridiculous. Ridiculous means funny. Okay. Funny. It is really funny to ask him. Okay. So afterwards, you write down the meaning side by side. It was really funny to ask him. And after that, he was very much sure about the sarcasm of Dinesh, because Dinesh was which kind of personality? He was very fun loving. He used to make fun. So that's why he dropped that idea that he should not talk to Dinesh about his visit to Ranchi. Okay. Clear? So the meaning of ruthless, write down this also. I'm writing here that you write down there in your books. So ruthless means hard. Okay. Another word for sarcasm is jeering. It means making fun. So you write down these meaning. So after that, he was having a cold drink in air-conditioned living room, and he thought that it is really a nuisance. It is really, you can say, creating a disturbance in his mind. After that, what did he think? Are you writing the meanings? Let me see. Call any of the child to show me your books. So he was just snuggling in his bed. He was just snuggling in his bed. It means he was not able to sleep properly. Okay, he was simply moving in his bed. Why so? Why it was so? Because he was so disturbed by the statements which were given by Parimal Ghosh. Okay. So next day in the office, he was also not able to concentrate on his work in the office. Why so? Why? What was the reason? So because the meeting of Parimal Ghosh was occurring in his mind, and he was thinking that had he gone to Ranchi or not. Clear? So such kind of thoughts were going in his mind. After that, he made up his mind, yes, now he should call Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay. So he rang him up, and such kind of conversation, that is a very simple conversation it is giving. It went between Dinesh Mukherjee and Bepin. Okay, so Bepin finally rang up Dinesh to confirm that he was there in Ranchi or not. And after that, he realized that he had lost his memory. Okay. So when he took his lunch, after that there is second personality, that is Chunni Babu. Okay, Chunni Babu, he came to see him. Okay, and who was Chunni Babu? Chunni Babu was his schoolmate. Okay. So he wondered that how he had forgotten his visit to Ranchi. It means he had got any injury in his head. So because of that, because of thinking too much, he lost his appetite. Appetite means he was not feeling hungry at all. Now let's discuss about comprehension check. All of you start framing these answers. Comprehension check. Why did Bipin worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Why did Bipin worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Hurry up. Tell me. Okay, this answer should be told by Anjani. Anjani, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Bipin Babu was surprised that Parmal Ghosh knows a lot of his personal details about his leg injury, bag of books, wife's death, and his brother' insane behavior. So he wondered that he really had memory loss about the visit to Ranchi.
Good. So this was a reason that because Parimal was aware of his personal details like about his wife, about his brother, about that he had no children. So that's why he was so wondered. Now let's move to question second. How did he try to decide who was right, his memory or Parimal Ghosh? Now this answer, Arish, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Bipin Babu decided to get to know that who was right by calling Dinesh Mukherjee. He was not able to sleep in his bed the whole night because the encounter of Parimal Ghosh was moving in his mind all the time. Then he decided to call Dinesh Mukherjee, who, according to Parimal Ghosh, had gone with him to Ranchi.
Okay. Clear. So Bipin decided to contact Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay. Because Dinesh Mukherjee was also at that time present in Ranchi. Now let's move to third question. Why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decide to phone him? So this answer should be spoken by Harman. Harman Pal.
Yes, ma'am. Bipin Babu hesitated to visit Mr. Mukherjee because Bipin Babu had lost his memory about to Calcutta, and he decided to see his knee. When he saw his knee that he had a cut, then he was confirmed that that incident had happened. Then he hesitated to visit Mukherjee because Mukherjee will say that it is very ridiculous.
Yes, because he hesitated, he felt hesitation. Because what was the nature of Mr. Mukherjee? He was a, you can say, person, fun-loving person. He used to make fun, and he would be it would he thought that it would be ridiculous that if he had really visited Ranchi, because Mr. Mukherjee would make fun of him, he would play a sarcasm on him. So he could also say that Bipin had gone mad, he had gone crazy, he had lost his memory. So these were the reasons. Now question 4, what did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? What did Mr. Mukherjee say? What was the answer of Mr. Mukherjee? Tell me. What was the answer of Mr. Mukherjee? Lavish is not present in class. Okay, Gurdeep. Okay, Gurdit, you tell me this answer. Yes, hurry up, Gurdit, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bachche, tell me. Hurry up, bachche, I'm waiting for you. Why are you wasting time? Hurry up. It is given right in front of you. Right in front of you, the answer is given. Still, you are not able to speak. That is really surprising. What should I do with such kind of students? Gurdit, I'm waiting for your answer.
And fourth question.
Yes, beta, fourth question is going in class.
And Mr. Mukherjee say that
Say that or said that?
said that he was. I don't know this answer.
Beta, answer is in front of you. Answer is in front of you. Just read this text carefully. Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then, but you would know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That's all. But what's this saluting about? No, I just wanted to, anyways. This conversation is going between two friends. What was he saying to him? When he asked Mukherjee, so he told him that, okay, I just check in my diary. There was a pin drop silence. And by the time Bipin Babu's heartbeat was going up, why his heartbeat was going up? When he was checking in his diary that he had gone to Ranchi or not. Okay. So he told him, yes, I had been out twice. मैं वहां पे 2 बार गया हूँ. I had been out twice. And which kind of 2 times? वो बोलता है कि उसको वो फरवरी में गया है to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding. It means he had gone in month of February to attend wedding, and then the trip to Ranchi, and he told him that you were also there. You were also there. वो कहता है कि मैं गया तो था फरवरी में शादी पे और तुम भी तो वहां पे थे और तुम क्यों? Why are you saluting? It means why are you investigating? तुम अभी इस मैटर को इन्वेस्टिगेट क्यों कर रहे हो कि हम रांची गए हैं कि नहीं? बेटा सारा कंटेंट आपके सामने है. इट इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. स्टिल यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक. इट इज रियली सरप्राइज्ड. Gurdit,
Yes, ma'am.
improve your reading skills. See, it is right in front of you. Go through the text carefully. अब बताओ इसका आंसर. Now tell me, what did Mr. Mukherjee say? क्या बोला Mr. Mukherjee ने उसको? What did he say?
Mr. Mukherjee said that he has went to Ranchi once in the February and to the Kanpur in his nephew wedding, and he said to Babu to that he had also went to the Ranchi when there is his nephew wedding.
Now speak nephew
Nephew.
5 times.
Nephew.
2,
Nephew.
3,
Nephew.
4,
Nephew.
5.
Nephew.
Yes, its pronunciation is nephew. Okay. And in question, if did is given, it means you have to use a second form. So in the beginning, you will not speak say, you will be speaking said. What will be speaking? Said.
Said.
Yes. Now you have tried and your answer was correct. Yes, he had gone there in Ranchi. He confirmed by telling that he had gone there to attend one wedding also, and he had not gone there only once, he had gone there twice. Okay, so what was the reaction of that? Did it comfort Bipin Babu? After listening to that reply, Bipin Babu was feeling comfortable or add to his worries. Add to his worries means he became more worried. What was that? Gurdit, tell me. After listening to this, he was feeling comfortable.
No, ma'am, he was not feeling comfortable.
It added to his.
He was not agree to this.
He was not feeling comfortable or added to his worries. It means उसकी tensions बढ़ गई थी.
Yes, ma'am.
So बनाओ इसकी English. उसकी tensions बढ़ गई थी. It added.
It added to him.
It added to is. It added to his. Pick up this word from your question. It added to his
Worries.
worries. Yes. It. And what was, from which line you have come to know कि उसकी tension बढ़ गई थी?
Receiver, Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands and felt his head swimming.
Okay, from this line it was that कि उसने, ठीक है. From these lines it is clear, and there is one more line. It happens with us also when we are in tension. We are not able to eat anything, isn't it? Does it happen with
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
So from which line we have come to know that it added to its worries?
There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them.
And he had lost his
Appetite.
appetite. Speak it 5 times.
Appetite.
1,
Appetite.
2,
Appetite.
3,
Appetite.
4,
Appetite.
5. Yes. So appetite means hunger. He lost his hunger. He had lost his appetite because there was food in front of him in tiffin box, but he couldn't eat. Why so? Because it had swimming. It means he was feeling giddy. He was not able to believe on his ears after listening to that person that he had gone to Ranchi. So from this incident, he had come to know that yes, he had got a lapse of memory. His memory was lost. Now we are running out of time. I have to over this class and we will be continuing this chapter tomorrow. By the time you read second part of this chapter, this is your homework. Okay? Clear? And be inquisitive, be eager to know that what will happen next. You should be very much eager to know about this thing. That now what will happen next? Was there a loss of memory or Parimal Ghosh was a liar? He was making him fool. What was the reason behind that? What was the suspense? What is the suspense? So you will come to know about the suspense tomorrow. So by the time, take care of your health, do your study. Okay, take care of your health. Okay, bye students. Thank you and have a nice day.